Good morning, everybody. Right here with me, I have a Q&A, a question and answer interview. So this one is for social media. So number one, the question goes, can you introduce yourself and tell us your role in Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ? Okay. My name is Gafar Fadeyi. I am the producer of the Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ. I wrote the script. It is written and produced by me, Gafar Fadeyi, and I played a significant role in the project Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ. And as you have all known, it's an episode by episode project. So the role I played in episode 1 is quite different from the role I played in episode 2, 3, 4, 5, and on until episode 12. So we can't possibly start going into every role I played in the project, but in episode 1 I played the role of Oromila. There is another episode I played the role of Baba Ewidogbon. So let's go to the next question. So the next question is, what was your favorite moment or scene during the shoot? Okay. Anyway, if I have to be honest, my favorite moment happens to be the episode 1, which is Enimo Yomoyi, which is that is the name for the title for episode 1, Enimo Yomoyi. And in that episode 1, I played the role of Oromila. It was, we have to be sincere, it was a little bit, it was challenging, but we did our best to deliver our lines, and we did our best to do what is going to, what the audience, the viewers are going to enjoy. So it's the first day we want to shoot this particular episode. Let's go to the next one, where we are going to talk about the challenges. That is where I'm going to give an explanation to what really happened then. Number 3, it said, what does this project mean to you personally? Okay. Yeah, to me, the project means everything to me. It means heaven to me. It means heaven and earth to me. Because in this project, shooting this project is quite challenging, but it means everything to me in an aspect that I love storytelling, and I want people to be able to hear me. I want them to be able to hear what I'm saying. So instead of just saying it, I prefer to put it into acting, so people will have to understand it more better that way. So it means a lot to me, because personally I wrote every episode with the help of my production manager, which is Yemi Akinwale. He's a good man, by the way. So it means everything to us, because the episode 1 is a cultural theme. Yeah, the episode 1 is a cultural theme. It means a lot, and I believe with this project we are growing gradually into becoming the best version of ourselves as an actor and an actress. So the next question is, what challenges did you face during production, and how did you overcome them? Wow. If I have to be sincere right here, I faced a lot of challenges in this production, and I have to be honest. We faced challenges. The very first day we wanted to start this project, there was this heavy rain. The rain started falling around I think around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, and it went straight and fell throughout the day. Eventually the rain stopped falling around 8 o'clock in the night, so we were not able to do anything that very day, although we were able to shoot one particular scene. But that particular scene we shot that very day is not from episode 1. We have to go and pick another scene from another episode and shoot that episode that very day, because we don't want a situation whereby we will come to a location without doing anything that very day. So And apart from that, we have challenges with cast. We have challenges with people memorizing their lines and all sorts of challenges. But then we overcome with we bonded with love, and we have to rehearse some particular lines, and from there we got what we want. So it's a hell of a journey, but we got there eventually. So the last one here is one word to describe Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ, and why should everyone watch it? Okay. Anyway, Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ is a project that enlightens us, and it also teaches us how to behave in the society. It also exposes the evildoers. Take it for example, the role I played in one episode, Baba Iwe Dogbon, where I happens to be a tyranny. I started humiliating people using I was using a native charm, which is let me say I am being diabolical. So in that episode, so I use a lot of what our forefathers known as Ogun Ibile. So instead of me using it in a very good way in helping people and helping the society, I chose to use that knowledge to disturb the peace of the environment, disturb the peace of the village, disturb the peace of everyone living in that particular village. So so I want people to watch this Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ, because there might be something we might be doing that is not good enough. So we might engage ourselves in some things that are not pleasant, that are not godly. So when you watch this Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ, I have the certainty, I have the assurance, I have the belief that we are going to learn one thing or the other. We are going to learn one thing or the other. Me as the producer of this project, I learned a lot. Even while I was writing the script, I learned a lot there, and I believe you can learn a lot also. So do us a favor, go to your YouTube, search for the name FG Dynasty. So subscribe to our channel and stay tuned, because Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ episode 1 is going to be dropping August 1st, which is next week, Friday. I played the role of Orunmila in that particular episode. My production manager, which is Yemi Akinwale, played the role of Amosun, which is the son of Orunmila. And according to the old Ufa that we used to create this particular story, the story has to do with just two people, Orunmila and Amosun. But to make this more interesting for the viewers, we have to come up with an idea. We have to insert a female actress there that plays the role of Ewe Funke, just to make everything more entertaining for the viewers. So do us a favor, do us this big favor. Go to your YouTube, search for FG Dynasty, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ episode 1, which is going to be dropping August 1st, which is next week, Friday. My name is Gafar Fadeyi, the producer of Àtùpà Oru'gànjọ, the project. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Love you all.